Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to this channel that things I could do. Woo, woo, woo. So guys, I'm making a video after a long time. You know, I'm a busy girl. So today we're going to make French toast. Healthy, nutritional, and delicious. Let's get started with the ingredients. So I have challah bread and 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of pancake syrups, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half a cup of milk, 4 half tablespoons of sliced butter, some powdered sugar for dusting. We also need a mixing bowl to mix all of our ingredients. So I'm going to put eggs, milk, and sugar, and vanilla, and pancake syrup. So I'm going to put eggs now. Dump, dump. And milk, and milk. And sugar. Oop. And vanilla. And pancake syrup. Whoa, the pancake syrup is going very deep. What is this on the drops? There you go. And I'm going to mix it. Whoa. My mixer is ready. Look how ugly it is. We're going to heat up a pan on medium heat. Add a slice of butter into the pan. Let's try this. Okay. Dip a bread inside the mixer, front and back. Okay. Hope it works. Just this hand and this. Turning very weird. I'll put it into the pan. Ew. Let it cook for each side for it to get golden brown. It's time to flip. Okay, how do you flip this? Oh, this is like, it looks like, this, it's golden brown. And just make it a little flat. Put the sides a little bit. So now do we flip it? That's a good one. That's good. Okay. want, you could dip more right into the mixer, but I can't, guys. We can't eat more than 3. So my French toast is ready. And I have some berries. And this French toast, berries again. And donuts and an ice latte. Look how delicious they look. So let's give one a big yummy taste. Oh my gosh. I'm so ready to give it a taste. It's so good. It's so good. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Really good. Bye guys.